What's going on, guys? If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you want to know what is the SMA indicator and ways how you can trade it or ways how you can use it. So in this video, I'll be going over what exactly is the SMA indicator and three helpful tips for you guys, and also a bonus at the end. So make sure to stick around to the end to see the bonus tip. Okay, so with SMA indicator, what exactly is it? So the SMA indicator just calculates the average closing price for the day for a selective time frame and display it as a line. So what this basically means, if we're looking at a 180-day time frame, we're gonna see the average closing price for each day, and it's gonna create a line, and it will make it much more easier for us. Okay, so now let's look into the top three tips that you should consider when trading with the SMA indicator, or what professionals use the SMA indicator for. So tip number one is trend. And the SMA indicator always confirms the trend, because sometimes when you're trading without an SMA indicator, it might be hard to see if it's uptrend, downtrend, or a sideways trend. But putting that SMA indicator on there will show you the direction of that trend. Now let's look into tip number two. So tip number two is the strength of the trend. So if prices are higher than the average, then this trend is strong. So basically, if the prices is holding above the SMA indicator, this is showing you signs of a strong trend. If it falls beneath the SMA indicator, now we're seeing signs of a weak trend. So let's look into tip number three. Now, tip number three is position. So you've always hear this, the trend is your friend, follow the trend. And this is very important when you're trading or being a technical trader. So the SMA indicator will show you which position you should take. If the SMA indicator is going in a downtrend, chances are you should be more bullish. Whereas if the SMA indicator is showing signs of an uptrend, then you should be more bearish. Now let's look into the bonus tip. And this tip is time frame. And this is very important because if you're trading or if you're day trading, you should not be looking at a 200-day SMA indicator. There's not enough price action. You want something more close. So generally you might look for something 10 days to 50 days SMA indicator. Now that 200-day SMA indicator will give you a general direction of the trend, but you want to opt for something with more price action, and that's why you might look for something in between 10 days to 50 days. So yeah, guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out this video to the left. It's about the RSI indicator, and also this video to the right, which is just showing you the different types of market orders. And yeah, see you on the green side.